In this video, I am going to show you how to send a thank you card on Zendrop to your customers, enhancing customer experience. Designed to add a personal touch to your customer's experience, adding a thank you card to your customers' orders will definitely get you more revenue or conversion rate. So here's how to do it. Start by navigating to the gear icon located at the top of your dashboard. Click on it to access your branding settings. Within the branding section, you'll find options to personalize your thank you card. Add your logo, title, message to customers, physical address, which is optional, and support email address, also optional. You choose. Each of these components can be customized according to your preferences. Feel free to leave any sections blank if desired. To see how your thank you card will appear to customers, you can download a sample. The sample will display your chosen title, message, address, and support email, allowing you to visualize the final product for your customers. As you make changes to the information provided for your thank you card, the sample will update accordingly. This ensures that you can tailor the card to your liking and preview the changes in real time. Once finalized, the thank you card will be included in the package sent to your customers. This personalized touch fosters a sense of appreciation and connection, enhancing the overall customer experience. With their thank you card feature, you can elevate your customer experience and make a positive impact with every order. Start personalizing your thank you cards today and delight your customers with thoughtful gestures. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.